What's up, guys? And today, our mom bought us this really cool fidget pack. So let's see. Let's see what's in there. Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, we got some Chuckies. We got some Chuckers.
You can tell them rubber chickens, like you put them on.
Yes,
there's two little holes, and you put one finger in one, and then they go. Oh, look at this slinky! What is,
guys?
Whoa! Ooh, these are cool.
Guys.
Ooh, a pea popper.
Didn't even know about it.
Nice. I didn't know that we. Wait, does it have a different face?
Yep.
Yeah, it has a different face. Guys, marble meshes. Look at this cool marble mesh, Mommy.
Guys.
Nice.
Whoa, a cool unicorn mini pop.
Guys,
a gaming controller pop.
That's so big.
I know.
Our mom is being the camera person.
Guys, we got another puppet.
Guys, we got another one of these.
Ooh, these are kind of small. I like it. I like these.
Guys, I am opening the Among Us.
We have like 3 Among Us things already. Ooh, these little things.
But
they stick to the doors. And like, Mama, feel like the green.
Guys, this time we don't have red on this. Guys, this
We had these when I was a kid, but they
one,
weren't fidgets.
Blue.
They were just toys.
Oh, a tangle. We don't have this, Mommy. Like you tangle it. Here, I'm going to open this.
Let's see what else is in there.
Guys, they keep popping up. That's the only thing I don't
Okay, I'm
like.
going to open this later.
I opened
fidget
this.
spinner.
Guys,
Ooh, look at this.
I like that.
I like this too. It's like a, it's like a puzzle.
Cool.
guys, look at it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Fidget spinner.
Guys! I'm not simple. Wait, open it. Here, let me open it.
I'm opening it.
I'm
I'm opening it, guys.
Ooh, it's like a snake. What is this? Oh, what is that?
It's like, guys, this is a little hard.
This is really cool.
Oh, yeah, no, I feel it. Open it.
I like this. I'm gonna go open this, guys.
Here,
Oh, a snapper! We don't have
it's
this,
sticky
Mama.
on one side. You don't need scissors.
I know.
Here, bring your hands.
Actually, no, guys, I got it. Guys.
Ooh, our first big
Listen to this.
poppet.
No, this is a dimple.
A dimple. Sorry.
Let's see. Guys, I am going to open this, I think, Chuckin mostly. Probably not Chuckin. I don't think this is Chuckin.
Ooh, another pop tube. This is like smaller, Mom. This is like mini.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like quieter.
Guys, I opened one of the mochis.
Oh, this mochi is kind of different.
Wait, guys, does it stick?
No, let's...
Does it stick?
Look at the pile, guys. Look at the pile. This isn't even all the pile in my lap right now.
I'm gonna use this, guys, for a second.
Wow, this is so cool. Thanks, Mom.
Thanks
You're
for
welcome.
buying this, Mom. She told us after we...
Mochi.
Yo, this is awesome.
I want it.
Here, try the chicken.
Yep. That's it, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna...
It also comes with this thingamajig.
Guys, watch this.
I don't know what this is.
Guys,
Wait.
I think I have figured out...
This is cool.
What
This
is
is like a bear mochi.
Guys, they swing. They swing.
Okay, is that everything?
Oh, yeah, it's empty.
Tomorrow I'm gonna be playing with all of these.
Wow.
Yo,
Cool.
what is this?
Wow, there's so much fidgets we don't have.
Wait, I want to try
Cool.
the pop tube.
I really like the... Henry, okay. Henry, what is your favorite? I honestly think my favorite, not this, it's
it doesn't even make a little thing.
I like this.
Push
To be
down.
honest, this
The
is like
push down
really
thing.
cool for me. That's so nice.
Oh yeah.
This is
This
cool.
is ASMR. Guys, this is ASMR.
I really like this. Thanks,
And
Mom.
guys,
and
since
this was
we have
actually
shown you
not
guys-
really expensive. This
for
was
the ending today, guys, for the ending today,
this is like a candy cane.
and guys, for the ending today, we're
We're
gonna be
fling
using
a chicken
the
at
shucking.
you.
We're using
I
the
don't know how to
shucking.
use anything.
Guys, for the ending today, we're using the chucking. So, Mom,
Sorry, I hit Mom. I hit Mom.
guys, I'm gonna put.
I'm
like pointing it at you. Guys, I'm going to have Mom point
have to
it
get you
at the
guys.
couch. Guys, 3, 2.
Get 'em. Oh, I didn't.